In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in WooCommerce quickly and easily. Whether you're looking to cater to an international audience or simply need to update your settings to reflect current business needs, changing the currency in WooCommerce is straightforward. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can follow along with ease. First things first, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, the real work begins. Navigate to the left-hand side of your WordPress interface and you should see an option labeled WooCommerce. Go ahead and click on that to expand the WooCommerce menu. This is your hub for managing all aspects related to your store's settings. Next, within the WooCommerce menu, you'll find several options. Look for the Settings tab and click on it. This will redirect you to the WooCommerce settings page, where you can adjust various aspects of your online store. On the settings page, you'll see several tabs running across the top. Look for the tab labeled General and click on it. The General tab contains the basic settings that apply to your entire store, including currency options. Now you'll need to scroll down the General settings page to find the Currency section. Here you'll see options related to your store's currency settings. This is where you can select the currency that best suits your business needs. Whether you're switching from dollars to euros or any other currency, this drop-down menu has you covered. Once you've opened the currency drop-down menu, you will see a list of all available currencies. Scroll through the list and click on the currency you wish to use for your store. After making your selection, make sure to scroll down and hit the Save Changes button. This action will save your changes and update your store's settings to reflect the new currency choice. It's important to remember that changing your store's currency may impact how prices are displayed to your customers, so always ensure that everything is correct before finalizing your changes. If you have set up shipping zones or tax rates, you might need to double-check those settings to ensure they align with your new currency choice. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully changed the currency in your WooCommerce store, and you're ready to provide your customers with an up-to-date shopping experience. Thanks for following along. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more tips on managing your WooCommerce store efficiently. Happy selling!